Hey friends, if you wish to find and fix memory leaks in Windows, then please watch this video now. I will remove the find option because the part with find is very easy these days. Okay, I'll keep it at fix because all you need to do is search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager window and go to the Processes tab, go to memory and check the leaks here. Okay, so this is the case. Now here's the thing. What is memory basically? We are referring to random access memory RAM. We're not referring to anything else. So if there are memory leaks, obviously it will slow down your computer, cause problems, etc., etc. And how do we solve it? So before we solve it, what could be the issue? The issue could be with the physical RAM. The issue could be with third-party programs. The issue could be with a virus infection or outdated drivers. There's nothing else that can actually cause this problem because it's specific to the memory. If it was with the disk, I would have suggested an SFC scan, but that is not the case right now. So the first solution is clean boot. How would you perform a clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. OK. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. The next solution is to update the device drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Okay, and which driver should we be updating? So any driver which has an exclamation mark here should be updated, and other than those drivers you can update the disk drive drivers for sure, and actually update all of them. I usually suggest updating it through the Windows update panel, but if you're facing this problem, then update as many drivers as you can. Okay, and the last solution is to perform an antivirus scan on your system. How? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security, and then go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Now, full scan, and then Scan Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.